First, start off by rolling down the window. Next, grab the cleaning wipe, open, and clean the areas in which the visor will be applied. Be sure the area is dry before proceeding to the next step. Hold the visor up to the door frame to get an idea of how it will be installed. Peel back the tape about 2 inches and remove the black protective foam from the hooks on the visors. Open the door to install the top 2 hooks to the door frame. Adjust the visor so the clip at the front slides behind the side view mirror panel. Now, line up the edge of the visor with the edge of the door frame. We will apply pressure to the adhesive strip while slowly peeling back the red tape. Be sure to take your time with this step. Gently pull a little tape at a time while applying pressure to the area of the visor where the tape has been removed. Always grab the tape as close to the visor as possible to avoid tearing the tape. Once you have removed all the strips of tape, run your fingers around the edge to ensure a tight seal. Repeat the same procedures for the rear visor.